So hey guys, in this video I'll be actually explaining how to spoof your Windows laptop or computer to be a Galaxy Book. Like some of you must have tried and are using Samsung devices and want your laptop or computer to just integrate with it seamlessly. So this is a spoof that I found on GitHub and it actually helps you make Galaxy Notes work and all the things working. So without the spoof, you can see when you open the Samsung Notes, you get an error that this device is not optimized for Samsung Notes. Even like prior few months back, it wouldn't even work. It will just immediately close. Just the way the multi-control does. You can see the multi-control will immediately shut off the moment you hit OK. So this was an issue. Now Samsung has allowed us to use Samsung Notes on normal devices, but to use multi-control and people who have the devices, you can see now we'll start with the installation. So for installation, you need the PowerShell. If you don't have the PowerShell, I'll be showing you how to install it. So I'll be opening my PowerShell right now. And once the PowerShell is done, if you have it already, really good. If you don't, go into your terminal and just write the command with, and yeah, the notepad that I'm using, I'll be pasting all the commands in the description, so you can just copy and paste. So you need to put the command as winget install Microsoft.PowerShell, and this will install the PowerShell. In my case, it is already there. All it does is try to check that whether I have an update or not. As I don't have, it will just proceed with the installation as if you don't have it. So once the PowerShell is done, you need to set the execution policy to unrestricted. If you don't do so, you'll get an error stating that you don't have the permission to do so. The commands we are going to use further on. So I'll be putting the link in the description for this Galaxy Book Enabler, and what you have to do is copy the path file, the file path, and then in the terminal or the PowerShell which we are going to use, you have to write cd, which is the direct, you need to set the directory and then paste the path there. So now you are through your PowerShell into the path, and you have to hit /GalaxyBookEnabler.ps1, which command is already there. You can just copy and paste it. So once you do that, there will be an option to hit R to run it once. Once you hit R, you'll see that the script has started, and you need to provide your consent with a yes, that yes, I want that. Now the script is ready, and it will ask you that whether you will like to install the additional apps. You can install it through the Microsoft Store, but I prefer it to download it from here. In my case, I have downloaded it before, so I don't need to. Here, if you want these three apps, the Notes, the multi-control and quick share, you have to hit 4 and then 5. First you hit 4 and then 5. If you want just the multi-share or just the Notes, you can select accordingly. Once it starts downloading or checking for update, the moment you see please delete the script directly after the installation is complete, you just have to close the PowerShell, because here our installation is complete. So once you close the PowerShell, you have to restart your computer in order for the script to run. Now I have restarted my computer, and you can see when I open Samsung Note, it takes a while to load, which it didn't before, because it's checking. And once it's successfully checked, you'll see I'm no longer getting an error showing that it's not compatible or it's not optimized for it. In case of multi-control, you can see that multi-control now just works fine. So as you can see, this spoofs work really well, but it's only limited to certain apps. So yeah, if you try to use Samsung phone for device control and all, no, it won't be working. And yeah, it's recommended to delete it. And thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe for more content like this.